How to get student discount on Apple products. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your browser and type in student discount Apple in the search bar. Once you type in, you should be getting some results on your screen. So you may go ahead and click on the first link of education on apple.com. Tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it will open up this. So here, you will be finding all of the products in which you will be getting student discount. So all you gotta do is look out for the product. For example, we have these products on the screen. So the one with the student discount are one with this hat icon on the top of the product. So all you gotta do is simply locate up a product with a student discount. For example, MacBook Air itself. So tap on it. And then once you tap on it, it will lead you to another page. Now from the section, you may select how much inch you want the laptop, and once you do that, you may select the color as well. And then once you read the description, here you should be finding Apple product. So here the actual product is $899, but for education savings it is for $74.91 per month for 12 months. So all you gotta do is, in order to purchase it, you may tap on select. After that, you may add it on back. At the top, you should be finding add back option. Tap on it. And then it will lead you to another page. All you gotta do is check out after that, and you will be getting the MacBook Air with some student discount at it. So that is how you get student discount on Apple products. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.